Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Which of the following species is paramagnetic? Option given are cyanide negative, NO, O2 2 negative, O2. If we talk about the key concept of the question, basically key concept क्या है question का? हमें बताना है what is paramagnetic and which one is paramagnetic. So paramagnetic are basically those compounds which have unpaired electron. जिनके पास कोई unpaired electron होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? paramagnetic. On the other hand, diamagnetic का क्या रहता है? diamagnetic में no unpaired electron. No unpaired electron. So what we can say? It will have no unpaired electron. Diamagnetic, no unpaired electron. So now we have to tell which one is paramagnetic here. If we talk about cyanide negative, then cyanide carbon contains 6, atomic number of carbon is 6 and nitrogen is 7 plus 1, 8, 6, 14. So 14, these all electrons are filled, okay, paired. So it is not paramagnetic in nature, it is diamagnetic in nature. So it would be diamagnetic only. Now if we go through NO, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, this is also, we can say, nitrogen and oxygen. These have somewhat one unpaired electron. There are 15, out of which one is unpaired. Odd number of electron are basically unpaired. So this will show paramagnetic behavior. This will show paramagnetic behavior. Now O2 2 negative. O2 oxygen 8 to 16, 16 plus 2 18. Basically 18 are also show diamagnetic behavior. All are fully filled. But if we go through this O2, it will contain 16 electron. Even electron, but even though one electron would be in pi x, 2 it's 2 p pi px 1 electron, p pi x 1 electron, and here p pi y 1 electron. So this will contain 2 unpaired electron. 2 unpaired electron, this is also paramagnetic in nature. So what we can say, option A and D will show paramagnetic behavior. So which of the following species? Not option A, sorry, it would be option, which one is paramagnetic? Option B and option D. Option A, B and D would be the correct answer. I hope you got the concept. All the best.